Hey there, aviation fans. This is Brian Rote with TopFlight.tv coming at you one more time from Reno State Airport, home of the Reno National Championship Air Races. 2008 is in the can. It's over and done. It's just an interesting sight to see everything wrapped up. The planes getting, flying out of here. The trucks hauling out. It's pretty much over for this year. The good news is we got a date for next year. According to the program, I want you to mark this on your calendar. 2009 National Championship Air Races and Airshow is September 16th through the 20th. Put it on your calendar. Put the plans in place. Why? Because you need to be here next year. You need to come out and experience the majesty and the splendor of what the Reno Air Races are. We'll be covering more of the planes, more of the pilots, more of the events that go on for the ramp up for next year. So stay tuned for more, because Reno's going to be a great year next year. Till then, take care, and all my best for now.